Did you know that sloths are so slow that algae grow on their fur? This unique phenomenon is not just a curious fact but a testament to the sloth's incredibly slow pace of life. The algae provide a form of camouflage, blending the sloth into the green canopy of the rainforest, making it harder for predators to spot them. These fascinating creatures are iconic for their unhurried pace of life, moving so slowly that their movements are almost imperceptible to the human eye. This slow movement is a survival strategy, conserving energy in an environment where food is not always abundant. But why exactly are they nature's slowest creatures? The answer lies in their diet and metabolism. Sloths primarily feed on leaves, which are low in nutrients and take a long time to digest. Their slow metabolism means they don't need to eat as much or as often, allowing them to survive on a limited food supply. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of sloths, exploring not just their slow movements but also their unique adaptations that make them perfectly suited to their environment. From their specialized claws that help them hang from branches to their slow digestion process, every aspect of a sloth's life is tailored to its slow-paced existence. Exploring their unique adaptations, behaviors, and the reasons behind their leisurely lifestyle reveals a creature that is perfectly in tune with its surroundings. Their slow movements reduce the need for energy, and their algae-covered fur provides camouflage, making them less visible to predators. Sloths, with their gentle nature and deliberate movements, captivate our imagination. Their slow pace is a stark contrast to the fast-paced world we live in, reminding us of the beauty of taking things slow and appreciating the moment. Their languid lifestyle is not simply a matter of laziness but a fascinating example of adaptation to their environment. By moving slowly, they conserve energy and avoid detection by predators, making their slow pace a key to their survival. In the heart of the rainforest canopy, these remarkable creatures have carved out a unique niche, living high up in the trees where they are safe from many ground-dwelling predators. Their slow movements and algae-covered fur make them almost invisible in the dense foliage, proving that sometimes slow and steady wins the race. In a world that often values speed and efficiency, sloths remind us that there is also strength and wisdom in taking life at a slower pace, adapting perfectly to their environment and thriving in their own unique way. A sloth's slowness is deeply rooted in its physiology. These fascinating creatures have adapted to a life of leisure, moving at a pace that seems almost otherworldly. But there's a method to their unhurried madness. These arboreal mammals have evolved an incredibly low metabolic rate, which is a key factor in their slow lifestyle. Their bodies are designed to conserve energy, allowing them to survive on a diet that would be insufficient for most other animals. This low metabolic rate means they burn energy at a remarkably slow pace. Unlike other animals that need to eat frequently to maintain their energy levels, sloths can go for days without food. Compared to other mammals of similar size, sloths have approximately 30% less muscle mass. This reduction in muscle mass is not a disadvantage but rather an adaptation that suits their slow-paced lifestyle perfectly. This reduction in muscle mass contributes directly to their leisurely pace as they simply lack the muscular power for rapid movement. Their slow movements also make them less noticeable to predators, providing an added layer of protection. As they lack the muscular power for rapid movement, sloths have developed other means of survival. Their long, curved claws allow them to hang effortlessly from tree branches, conserving even more energy. Their diet plays a crucial role in their slow metabolism. Sloths are herbivores, primarily feeding on leaves, buds, and tender shoots. These food sources are abundant in their habitat but are low in calories. Sloths are herbivores, primarily feeding on leaves, buds, and tender shoots. Leaves are notoriously low in calories and require a significant amount of time and energy to digest. Leaves are notoriously low in calories and require a significant amount of time and energy to digest. To cope with this low-energy diet, sloths have evolved a specialized digestive system with multiple chambers. To cope with this low-energy diet, sloths have evolved a specialized digestive system with multiple chambers. This complex stomach allows them to extract the maximum amount of nutrients from their food, albeit very slowly. This slow digestion process is another reason for their lethargic lifestyle, as it can take up to a month to fully digest a single meal. Sloths spend a significant portion of their lives sleeping, often up to 15-20 hours a day. This extended rest period is essential for their energy conservation strategy. By sleeping so much, they reduce their need for food and minimize their exposure to predators. Even their fur is adapted to their slow lifestyle, Sloth fur hosts a unique ecosystem of algae and insects, which provides camouflage and helps them blend into their surroundings. This natural disguise is crucial for avoiding predators. Sloths are solitary creatures, but they do come together for mating and raising their young. The slow pace of life extends to their reproductive habits as well, with a gestation period of about 6 months and a long period of maternal care. In essence, the sloth's slow pace is a finely tuned survival strategy. Every aspect of their biology, from their metabolism to their muscle mass, diet, and even their fur, is adapted to support a life of deliberate, energy-efficient movement. The science of slowness is not just about moving slowly, it's about thriving in a world where speed is not always the key to survival. In the emerald embrace of the rainforest canopy, a world teeming with life and vibrant colors, there exists a creature that has mastered the art of invisibility. Sloths have perfected the art of camouflage, becoming one with their verdant surroundings. Their ability to blend in is not just a mere trick, but a vital survival mechanism honed over millennia. Their slow movements are not a hindrance but a survival strategy, allowing them to blend seamlessly with their surroundings. Moving at a glacial pace, they avoid drawing attention to themselves, making it difficult for predators to spot them. Their fur, often hosting a verdant growth of algae, provides them with excellent camouflage against the backdrop of leaves and dappled sunlight. This symbiotic relationship with algae not only helps them blend in, but also offers additional nutrients. This camouflage is particularly crucial for avoiding their main predators, such as jaguars, eagles, and snakes. These predators are always on the lookout, their keen senses attuned to the slightest movement. These stealthy hunters rely on movement to detect prey. A sudden rustle of leaves or a quick darting motion can give away the presence of a potential meal. Sloths, by moving slowly and deliberately, become almost invisible amongst the foliage. Their unhurried movements make them appear as just another part of the forest, swaying gently with the breeze. Their unhurried pace turns them into living, breathing pieces of the rainforest tapestry. Each movement is a calculated effort to remain unseen, a testament to their evolutionary success in a world where survival often hinges on the ability to remain unnoticed. Sloths are perfectly adapted for life in the trees, rarely venturing down to the forest floor. Their long, curved claws act as natural hooks, allowing them to hang effortlessly from branches. They can even sleep upside down, suspended from a branch. Their grip is so strong that they have been known to remain hanging even after death. Life in the canopy provides sloths with everything they need. Food is abundant, with a variety of leaves, buds, and fruits within easy reach. Water is obtained from licking dew and raindrops from leaves or consuming the moisture present in their food. The slow metabolic rate of sloths influences every aspect of their lives. Their heart rate is remarkably slow, and they breathe at a leisurely pace. Even their body temperature is lower than most mammals, fluctuating with the ambient temperature of the rainforest. This slow-motion existence might seem uneventful, but it is a testament to their remarkable adaptation. By minimizing energy expenditure, they can survive on a diet that would be insufficient for other mammals. Their slow movements, while seemingly vulnerable, are key to their survival in the rainforest canopy. The fur of a sloth is truly unique, providing more than just camouflage. The algae that grows on their fur is not just a coincidence. Sloths actually encourage this growth, providing a home for the algae in the grooves of their hair. This symbiotic relationship benefits both the sloth and the algae. The algae receive a safe haven and access to sunlight, while the sloth benefits from the camouflage provided by the green hue. Additionally, sloths have been observed licking their fur, likely obtaining nutrients from the algae. Their fur also provides a home for a variety of insects, moths, and even small frogs. Despite their adaptations, sloths face a number of threats. Deforestation, habitat loss, and the illegal pet trade all pose significant challenges to their survival. As rainforests shrink, sloths are losing their homes and sources of food. The slow-moving nature that serves them so well in the trees makes them particularly vulnerable on the ground. When forced to cross roads or navigate cleared areas, they become easy targets for predators and vehicles. Efforts are underway to protect these gentle creatures and their rainforest homes. Conservation organizations are working to preserve existing habitats, create wildlife corridors, and raise awareness about the plight of sloths. Rehabilitation centers play a crucial role in rescuing and caring for injured or orphaned sloths, with the goal of eventually releasing them back into the wild. Education and responsible ecotourism can also contribute to their conservation by fostering appreciation and understanding. Sloths, with their unhurried pace and zen-like demeanor, remind us that there is more than one way to thrive in this world. They challenge our notions of productivity and success, embodying a different kind of strength, the strength of adaptation, resilience, and quiet persistence. What do you think about these fascinating creatures? Let us know your thoughts. If you're enjoying learning about these incredible creatures, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. Don't miss out on more mind-blowing animal facts coming your way.